So many people have a problem resetting the maintenance required in the first generation Can-Am Commander. I firmly believe the secret to getting that message reset is being fast. The way I finally got the message to reset on my 2018 Can-Am Commander Limited was by going through the procedure 3 times in a row, just as fast as I possibly could. That finally cleared the message. Give it a try. The reset procedure, per the manual for the earlier, aka Gen 1 Can-Am Commanders, is as follows. Make sure the machine is in park. Turn the ignition switch on, but do not start the engine. I always wait for the dash display to finish. Important, steps 3 through 9 must be completed within 5 seconds. That's really fast. 3, press the override switch and hold it. 4, press and release the brake pedal. 5, release the override switch. 6, press and release the brake pedal. 7, press and hold the override switch again. Press and release the brake pedal. Release the override switch. Turn the ignition switch to off. Note, do not turn ignition switch to on before the multifunction gauge turns off. It's important to keep trying and go as fast as you can. 5 seconds is not very long. Give it a try and see if it works for you. It did eventually work for me on my 2018 Commander Limited 1000R. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.